Welcome. This is question 8 today, and the question reads: 3 years ago, John was 4 times as old as his son Peter. In 5 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 56. Find their present ages. So, in order to approach such a question, then we need to identify that this question is given in the past, present, and the future to come. So we can get a summary of the question in a table so that the present and 3 years ago, and then we'll also have 5 years time, all captured in the table. So we have John and we have Peter. So we're told 3 years ago, so that forces us to travel to 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, John was 4 times as old as his son Peter. So if Peter is X, then John is supposed to be 4 times as old as Peter. So that is 4x. And then in 5 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 56. So in 5 years' time, from 3 years ago to date, we'll have the age of John plus 3 years until today. And the same applies to Peter, x plus 3. Now from today into 5 years' time, we'll have to add 5 years to their respective ages today. So we'll have 4x plus 3 plus 5, so that gives us 8. So here we have x plus 3 plus 5, so we have x plus 8. And we are told that in 5 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 56. So in 5 years' time, so that is at this particular point, if you add their ages, it should give us 56. So we are going to form an equation from this particular point. So we have the age of John, which is 4x plus 8, plus the age of Peter, which is x plus 8. That should give us 56. So we are going to have 4x plus x, that is 5x plus 16, that gives us 54. So from here, we have 5x equivalent to, this is 56, not 54. So 5x should be equivalent to 56 minus 16, and that is 40. So x should be 8, that is dividing both sides by 5. So if x is 8, we are asked about their present ages, so their ages today. So today we are told that John is 4x plus 3. So we'll have to substitute for x. So we have 4x and x is 8 plus 3. So the age of John today is 4 by 8, that is 32. 32 plus 3, that is 35. So we have 35 years old. And the Peter's age today, we have x plus 3, so that is just 8 plus 3, which is 11 years old. Sorry, that was not captured. So we have 11 years old. So that's it for this question. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.